Visit Neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab. Azure machine learning stands as a beacon for enterprises yearning to harness the power of artificial intelligence while keeping an eye on security, governance, and automation. Dive in as we unravel the labyrinth of Azure machine learning workspaces and arm yourself with the knowledge to wield it with finesse in your organization. Welcome to Mastering the Azure Machine Learning Workspace, a comprehensive guide for IT professionals. It's a well-known fact that AI can revolutionize the way businesses operate, but leveraging it effectively requires robust and user-friendly tools. Azure Machine Learning is one such tool. But first, how does an enterprise start? They create a team, yes, but also an Azure Machine Learning workspace that becomes the heart of their AI journey. Azure ensures compliance and control, allowing enterprises to navigate the AI landscape securely. Now, let's talk about architecture, the skeleton of our digital beast. The Azure ML Service architecture, robust and flexible, enables organizations to structure their machine learning models efficiently. It supports various data processing and serving models through a unified interface, enabling rapid development and deployment. This ensures a smooth workflow from model development to real-world application. But the journey through Azure begins with setting up the environment. Creating a workspace requires careful planning and configuration. You ensure compute and storage resources are in place while setting up a data store accessible for model training. Azure ML Workspace provides this foundation, allowing developers to focus on what they do best, building models and not worrying about the infrastructure that hosts them. As seasoned professionals know, every journey comes with its hurdles. Troubleshooting plays a key role in keeping deployments smooth and predictable. Azure provides comprehensive logging, metrics, and alerts mechanisms. Together with Azure Monitor and Azure Service Health, they empower users to diagnose and resolve issues timely, ensuring continuous operation. To maintain speed and efficiency, there are best practices organizations have refined over time. These practices cover everything from data governance and model management to the optimization of resources and cost effectiveness. With these best practices, enterprises can maintain their competitive edge and leverage machine learning consistently and effectively in Azure. In conclusion, mastering Azure Machine Learning Workspace is a path full of possibilities for enterprises. It's a testament to the synergy between advanced technology and strategic business practices, facilitating growth and innovation. It's time to embrace these powerful tools and make informed decisions to drive progress in our AI aspirations. Remember, every great tech journey starts with a single step. So, delve deeper into Azure, explore the workspace, and let your enterprise redefine excellence. Visit Neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab for more enlightening content on navigating the world of technology with confidence. Now, let's get you started on your Azure AI journey. Welcome aboard.